Good day everyone. To continue our lesson on functions and relations, we are going to discuss the functional notation. We will use this symbol to indicate that f is a function from a to b. For each x an element of a, we will denote by f of x the unique element of b to which x corresponds. Here, we say that f of x is the value of f at x. To illustrate this correspondence, let us consider the following diagram. Suppose this is your set A which contains the element x. And here we have a set B where A is mapped to 8. The mapping here is f. By definition of a function, we have a certain element here in B to which x is mapped. This element is f of x. With this notation, the function f can be considered as a rule that assigns the value f of x to every element x in A. For example, let us consider the following. Suppose we have f of x equals 3x plus 2 and you are asked to find what is f of 2. What we are going to do here is simply to substitute 2 in place of x. That is, if we want to find f of 2, we have 3 times 2 plus 2 which is equal to 8. Another one, suppose we have g of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 5. And we are asked to find what is g of negative 3. Like what we did in the first example, when x equals negative 3, we have g equals negative 3 equals negative 3 quantity squared plus 2 times negative 3 minus 5. We know that negative 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 minus 5 giving us negative 2. Now, let f be a function from a to b. If the ordered pair xy is in f, then by definition, we write y equals f of x. In this situation, y equals f of x is the image of x under f. Also, x is a pre-image of y under f. The image denoted by I sub f of the function f is the set of all images of the elements of the domain and is given by the set I sub f equals the set of all f of x such that x is in A. Let's have an example. Let f be a function from the set of real numbers to itself be defined by f of x equals x squared. Because f of 3 is equal to 9, then 9 is the image of 3. Also, here 3 is a pre-image of 9. Notice that because f of negative 3 is also equal to 9, then negative 3 is another pre-image of 9.